Hi, welcome to STA204 Statistics for Middle Grades Teachers. I'm Dr. Theodore Hodson of the Department of Mathematical Sciences, and I look forward to working with you this semester. In this short welcome video, I'm going to walk you through a few details of the course Canvas site and the course syllabus. The Canvas site can be accessed in the usual way on Canvas. I'm sure many of you have already perused and gone through some of the details, but what I wanted to do is start off by just showing you some of the key features. So the Canvas site, the home page, should look like this. You'll see course information, which has the course syllabus and a schedule of topics and assignments. The formula sheets and tables folder or page. Course units, and the course units are one of the key features in the course. The course is going to be divided into 3 units. In the first unit, we're going to be addressing some of the introductory topics in the course. So, as you'll see from Unit 1 has a list of assignments, due dates, and resources. In addition, each unit page is going to have the topics that we address, some notes on that topic for you to review and or have posted ready as you're going through the class. Other resources such as handouts, essentially what I would give you were you in class, worked examples of sample problems, and resource videos. So basically, if we go through the class and you're saying, I would like to see another example of populations, samples, inferences, and vocabulary, you have 2 videos that you can view on each topic. So every day when we have class, you should go to the unit page and look at the particular topic. Now, how do you tell which topic we're covering? Each topic is posted on the course information on the topics and assignments page. So on that page, I list, and this is tentative, but it's sort of to my best guesstimate, of what we're going to be covering each day in the class. Okay, so Monday, August 17th, tomorrow, today's Sunday, we're going to be doing course introductions and introductory activity. And I've got an initial assignment, which is reading the statistical problem-solving piece and the Kentucky Academic Standards, the middle grades, focusing on middle grades probability and statistics. So you're aware of the concepts, the content that you'll be teaching as middle grades teachers. That assignment is due on the 24th. So on the schedule of topics and assignments, I have the day, essentially what day and what we're going to be covering each day, plus what's due and when it's due. But I'll be posting that in several places in the class. So the 2 things that you should look at, you should go to when you open up the home page. You should always go to the topics and assignments, see if there's been any updates, and then for each day of the class, go to the particular unit page and review materials and so forth. There are other things that I'm going to be posting in here, but basically what my goal is to integrate everything onto these unit pages. Okay, so what we're going to do for the rest of this time is just walk through this course syllabus as we would if this were the first day of class. This is a synchronous class. This is my first synchronous class online. Okay, synchronous means that we're actually going to have class during the class periods, which is 3:25 to 4:40 on Monday through Wednesday. One thing you might be comforted in, since all of you are training to be teachers, is that I am new to online synchronous education. I've taught for over 20 years, I've taught asynchronous classes online, but this is the first time I've been teaching an online class in a synchronous manner. So I'll be learning some new tools and techniques, which, in my opinion, one of the great things about being a teacher is the opportunity to learn and to try out new tools. So What I hope you will do is give me feedback. Let me know what's working, how I can improve, and how I can best serve you and help you succeed in this class. On the syllabus, I have my contact information, email, office phone number, and if you call in my office, even though I will not be in my office, all of my classes are online this semester. Any message that you leave is forwarded to my email so I can read that and see what you left. But I've got my email and office hours there as well. My office hours will be by Zoom, and I will post my personal Zoom page. It's just a link. You can click on that during any time. You can walk in anytime. You don't need to be here at the start. The Zoom page will be open. You click on the link and you'll go to my personal page, and we can Zoom about any question that you have. So one thing to emphasize about this class, it is a statistics class. This is not a class in methods of how to teach statistics, but it is a class designed to provide you with the knowledge base that you need to be successful in teaching probability and statistics, but mostly statistics in the middle grades. There is no textbook for this course. I have a few recommendations if you have questions about resource textbooks, but I'm going to be posting notes on every topic that we cover in this class. And through those notes, you should be able to essentially you're going to create materials that you need for a textbook. Also, I have, as you saw from already one of the units, I have lots of worked examples and other notes for each topic that we cover in the class. This is an asynchronous class, so a few expectations. I do expect you, as you would in a face-to-face class, to be at class each day. What I found, and we'll talk about this in the semester, correlation is a measure of how related variables are. There is a high correlation between students that attend class each day and students' grades. What that means is the more that you attend class, what tends to happen is the higher your grades are. So I expect all of you to be at class each day. The one thing that you should know is that I intend initially we're going to be doing sessions live. I don't know if I'll go the whole hour and 15 minutes. My hope is to go about an hour each day. And some days I may cancel the live session, and say we have a session on Monday, and maybe I'll post some videos and activities for you to complete on that Wednesday. So tentatively, to start off, we're going to be doing every day, Monday and Wednesday, 3:25 to 4:40. That may change and become a slightly asynchronous as the semester progresses. So make sure you come to class every day. Class notes, as you saw from the initial unit, I will post notes each day on every topic that we cover. You should copy those notes, or at least have them open on your laptop or on your tablet, and they will sort of give you a sense of what we're going to be covering. They're not completed. That's one of my goals, is to pull them up and complete them during the class with you as we walk through activities. But you should have a copy of those notes available to you. You will need a calculator in this class, and you should have calculators in general, since you'll be teaching via calculators. Every student in middle grades has at least a graphing calculator. So you should have a calculator. At the very least, it should have a square root button. The best calculator for a middle grades teacher, I think, is a TI-84 or an 83. I wouldn't go out and buy one. They're fairly expensive new, but if you have one that you can borrow, I think it's a good idea. The one thing, even though you don't need to purchase a text, you are required to purchase or have available to you a statistical software package. To investigate statistical phenomena is much easier to have statistical software. Every statistician uses statistical software. So what we're going to be using in this class is called StatCrunch. A 6-month subscription is available for around $15. It's a cheap price for a textbook. On the syllabus, I have the learning objectives for the course, as you can see. And you can read through those at your leisure. And then grading. Okay, so in this class, there's going to be 2 exams. semester exams. Each will be 75 points. There'll be 5 homework assignments and then 1 reading assignment. The initial reading assignment is 10 points. Every other homework assignment will be 30 points. So that's 160 points. There'll be 3 online quizzes, and those will be online, 20 points each, 60 points. A 100-point final, and then a course project. And the course project is intended for you, and you'll get a flavor of this as we go through the class. I think of statistics as a tool for solving problems, for answering questions. So your course project is to pose a question and answer it with some inferential statistical method, and we'll talk about that as we go through the class. But what you should start thinking about now is, what question do you have? It might be, what's the cheapest place to buy books? What's the cheapest place to buy groceries? Is it true that course attendance is related to course grades? Those are the sorts of questions you can investigate statistically. The project is due, notice our final exam is on Monday, December 7th. The project is due the day after that, on December 8th. Grades are not due until the following week. But that gives you a little extra time to focus on getting your project. You can work on your project with a group of 2 to 3 people, maximum 2 to 3. It's easier and more fun to work with others, and it gives you a chance to brainstorm with others, to check your work, and to work through the problems together. Grading scale is a straight scale. There is other information on the syllabus that you should go through. Class cancellation policy, it's an online class. I don't think we'll be canceling, but in the event that we do, that information is here. We've got a departmental syllabus and a few other pieces of information. There is an online help area in the Department of Mathematics and Statistics. It's nice because it's available from basically in the evenings, 2 to 8 and 5 to 8, when many of you have access and may have questions. I've got important dates listed on the syllabus as well. A few other announcements that you should read at your leisure. Again, the one thing I'm going to try a few new things this semester. It's one of my philosophies as a teacher, is every semester try a few new things. That's how you grow as a teacher. So I'm going to be, not only is this synchronous, in the class I'm going to be trying some new things, such as discussion groups, perhaps polls when we're taking class and asking you poll questions. In other online classes you may have used those. Those are new to me, so I'm going to be experimenting and trying my best to develop an engaging and informative synchronous class. Again, I look forward to working with you this semester. I will see you Monday. Each day of class, if you'll go to the Zoom link on Canvas, and let me go there now and show you. On your Canvas course page, if you scroll down, there is a Zoom link. On that Zoom link, if you open it, you'll notice that there is, here it comes, it's a little bit slow, there is a class session, and you just click on that class to start. That's where I'll see you starting at 3:25 on Monday. I look forward to seeing you. I look forward to having a great semester with each one of you.